Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a demo. You don't really know you.
Good morning. Welcome back or welcome to another video. So Caravana weekend festivities is over. Partying is over. Everybody's back to a regular life. Everybody went back to work or whatever it is. So the rest of the vacation is just smooth sailing. And yeah, gonna be doing regular stuff now. No more partying. But yeah. So I just took a shower. I just cleaned up. I'm about to do some laundry and see wherever the day takes me. If I end up doing anything, I will come back and let you guys know. My little nugget. My little nugget. Yes, I'm coming. So guys, I came to Canada and I found June plum. I don't need to be in Jamaica to get June plum. I have a whole bag. I've been feeding on them. They're getting so ripe. I need to eat all of them. But yeah, it's my favorite Jamaican fruit. June plum bees. Ugh. But yeah, I'm gonna sit out here, get some sun, and chill for the day. Guys, I didn't come back yesterday because there's nothing much to do. Like I said, the festivities is over, so everybody's back to regular life. But now we're here. Jump, jump. We're jumping. She wanted to play the trampoline, so I got her in the trampoline. Bella, come. Okay, I'm tired. I'm tired. Oh boy. The sun. The sun. But we're gonna be out here for a little bit, and then I'm trying to get her tired so she can go take a nap. So yeah. Guys, we're going to the beach today just to hang out and chill. My trip is winding down. Today is Thursday and I leave on Saturday. So we're gonna go to the beach and hang out for a bit. So
that one, and then the pool, I'm going to the doctor's tomorrow. I don't know what that is. Mom said maybe a rat bites you downtown. I was like, when I feel if a rat bites me. Like, yeah, my mosquito bites now. That's how they look.
Okay, fine.
Oh yeah, we should have been here earlier. Yeah.
woo. We are here.
Oh, she said to stay here. I've seen it from the water.
Oh man.
Oh, there's still life on it.
Guys, I'm gonna go test the waters. It's probably cold because it's chilly. Woo! Oh yes, it is cold. It is cold. Oh my god. It is cold. That's it for me. I'm done.
It's true. They know about the pound. It's true.
Oh, they do, of course. So I like to bargain with these dickheads because I know it's still going to be cheaper. I don't want to pay the price.
That looks fun though. I haven't been on a jet ski in a minute.
I was on my version.
How close you can get before I burn it?
Guys, I'm gonna try to go in.
Yeah?
Guys, it is cold. Oh, it's not that cold once you're in.
Right? It's nice. Nice. I'm hungry. Oh my. Oh my. I'm gonna call my man and tell him to take the bus. Maybe he can drive it.
The water. I'm wet. My shorts is wet. It is getting dark. We're about to head out. And it's cold. Oh my god. I'm tired and I'm hungry. So, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Guys, we made it by the mall. We're hungry, so we're gonna go get something to eat. This mall is big. It's a huge mall. Yeah. Yeah, my ass is wet.
You know I've never been to this Moxie's before. You haven't? Oh, I've been to this one. Wow, look at the lineup. Jesus. Is that a lineup?
Yeah, I did come here. We ended up dating. This was our first date. We had our very first date.
You blocked it out.
I did. I do remember. I didn't even remember. Hi. Free? It's happy hour, right?
Okay, so we're gonna
right here.
The hour menu?
She only gave us one.
Oh, okay. You wrapping that up? Nothing's right there. That's going to wrap. And you like it? I'm probably give it a thing.
We're done. That taco was so good. And now we are going home. We're going home. Guys, our trip is over. We're going home. We're in the airport. And we had a ride on the bus. Because our gate is far, so they offered to take us to our gate. Thank God, because with 2 kids and a whole bunch of bags. Yeah. So, I'm gonna miss Canada, no lie, but I will be back. I will be back. And these are only 82 and we are going 99. Oh, because she said her husband got off of work very late, so she couldn't make it. But she said when she come on our side.
See the whole word. Yeah, I see the whole word.
So I'm officially back home in America, in New York. I enjoyed my trip. It was so much fun. I'm gonna miss it, but it's until next time. But I hope you guys enjoy the Canada vlogs, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Support your girl. And there's not much that I do here in America, so I don't know how but I'm gonna try to put out content and to be consistent. So I will see you guys in my next vlog.
Because